In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch models in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to click, and how to choose the model that best fits your task. Whether you want faster responses for brainstorming or more advanced reasoning for complex work. First, open your Claude account. That simply means heading to the Claude website or app and signing in so you're looking at your chat interface. If you already have a conversation open, you're good to go. If not, you can start a new chat. The model switch works the same way in either case. Now take a look at your chat box. Right around the top of the conversation area or near the message composer, you'll see the name of your current model displayed. It might look like a small label or a drop down with the model's name. This is your quick indicator of what Claude is using right now. Next, click the model name you see there. As soon as you click it, a small menu will open showing the models available to you. The list may include options that vary in speed, capability, and cost. Some models are designed to be very fast and efficient, great for drafting, summarizing, or quick Q&A, while others focus on deeper reasoning or handling more complex instructions. You might also see a brief description next to each model to help you choose. From that list, select the model you prefer. The selection usually applies immediately, and you'll notice the label in your chat update to reflect the new choice. Your next message will be handled by the model you just picked. If you're in the middle of a conversation, that's perfectly fine. Switching models mid-chat is common and can help you match the tool to the task at hand. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the model selector right away, look for a small drop-down or chip with the model's name, or make sure your window is wide enough for the header to display fully. The models you can choose from may depend on your plan and region, so you might notice some options unavailable or marked differently. That's normal. And if you ever want to go back to a previous model, simply click the label again and make a new selection. You can repeat this anytime to adapt to what you're working on. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, find the current model label in your chat box, click it, and switch to the model you prefer. Keep this handy and you'll always have the right model for the job.